Hi, my name is StarBubble, and my superpower is I believe in myself. I am somebody. Let's do some affirmations to help us feel fine. I am capable of learning new things. I believe in myself and my abilities. Perseverance is key, and I will keep trying until I succeed. I have a curious mind, always ready to explore new ideas. Mistakes are okay. I can always learn from them. I am always improving and getting better. I ask for help when I need it, and that's okay. I am unique and special in my own way. I am grateful for the opportunity to learn and grow. I celebrate my successes. I am confident in my ability to learn. I believe in myself. I trust myself. I'm happy to be me.